Hello, how are you? I am back again and today we are going to be unboxing the December 2025 Glossybox. I'm super excited. I may have had a little peek inside, and this month we don't have a box, we have a bag. And you know how I feel about the boxes. I love them, they're so pretty, but when we get a bag, I am extra excited. In fact, I still own many of my Glossybox bags, including this one that we got a couple of summers ago. I also still have the flat lay one, which I think was a summer limited edition. And of course, I've still got the grey one that we got earlier this year. So let's have a look at this month and see what it's like. Here she is. She's pretty. She's giving Christmas vibes. It's simple, it's pretty, it's got a little branding. But yeah, I think I'm going to use this one a lot. So let's dive in and see what we get. Okay, first up, and this is probably the start of the show, this is the Avant Overnight Serum. It is a 30ml tube, so it's full size, and I've heard rumours that this is worth £92. So this is probably the biggest and most exciting and most expensive thing in the box, but let's see what is next. Okay, this next product is something that I really do need. I get quite a few comments about my hair, and it does actually kind of upset me because when I was pregnant, I had the usual, you know, thick full hair, but then when I was postpartum, loads of it fell out. Like literally one day I had a fringe, the next day I did not. It just dropped out. It was crazy. And then while it grew back, my hairline was like literally back here. And then when it finally did grow back, I basically had a mullet, and it was hard, it was tough, it was a lot mentally and emotionally, and it was just hard. So if you want to comment on my hair, please don't, because it's quite rude. Anyway, I know you don't mean anything, but it's painful. Anyway, the next product is for the hair, and it is by Full, and this is to give gloss, shine and heat protection. And since my hair does look like a bit of a mess today, I'm gonna be honest, it seems like a good opportunity to kind of see what it does, you know. I feel like it does need a little bit of help today. Yeah, do I look a little bit neater? I think so. Anyway, that is the next item, and it is by the brand Full. And then next up, this is by Spectrum, and this is the Large Dome Shader. So let's open her up, and here she is. She is in maroon. She's very pretty. And yeah, I've been actually needing some eyeshadow brushes lately. I feel like all mine have gone missing. I think it's because Mary uses them to paint with. Anyway, let's keep this one away from her. This is by Spectrum, and this is perfect for just blending out. And then we have 2 items left, and let's go for this one first. I actually have no idea what this is because it's all bubble wrapped up. Oh my god, look, it is actually an eyeshadow. Like, they think of things, you know, when you're like, oh, they gave us an eyeshadow brush, great, I'll use that for eyeshadows I already have. No, we're gonna give you an eyeshadow, and look at those colors. These are beautiful. These are the colors I need. I feel like they've solved a problem for me. Let's just go straight in. I've got some eyeliner on, but I've got no eyeshadow, and that is because I could not find any. Simple, subtle, I like it. I know this is more for blending out, but whatever, it's still doing the trick. Anyway, there we go. I feel like that's a better base for my winged eyeliner. What do you think? And then maybe we could put a little shadow in. Am I feeling brave? Am I putting too much on? Oh, this is hard in your phone mirror. Okay, let's blend out, baby. This is why I don't do makeup tutorials. My makeup is always not on fleek. Anyway, I think that actually looks pretty good. What do you think? Anyway, we have 1 item left, and this is by Sophia and Mabel, and I think this is a lipstick. This is a hydrating hybrid 2-in-1 lipstick balm. Let's have a look at this bad boy, shall we? Ooh, here is the shade. Can I pull this off? This is what I sometimes do in shops, by the way. I hold it like this to get perspective. Looks weird, right? But it works, you know, when you're like, you hold it in front of your lips and you're like, does that go? Do you know, it kind of does. I'm going to give it a go. Let's give it a swatchy. That's actually really nice. See, there we go. Anyway, that is a nice colour. I would put it on right now, but I've already got lipstick on. Anyway, there we go. That is the entire Glossybox. I think it's a good one. I think it's a good one. What do I like the best? Of course, the Avant. That is the star of the show. But I do like this. I feel like I needed some new styling cream. I like this lipstick. I like this brand actually, Sophia Mabel. And then I'm really pleased with this actually. I feel like my eyelids look better. And I always love a Spectrum. I think it's a bag of hits. It's a bag of hits, no misses. What do you think? Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Goodbye.